Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the GooFoto cell phone tripod stand. It is a flexible tripod for our iPhone with wireless remote. Yeah, and this tripod stand brings us in a new dimension of photographic styles because it not only fits with an iPhone, of course. It's a tripod, a mini smartphone tripod, a phone tripod, a stand holder, and it's compatible with iPhone or Android phone. Of course, it's possible to dock their ASMR cameras, DSLR, Sony, Canon, Nikon, GoPro, what you like. And of course, lights. You can dock LED light spots on it and make a good light for your set. This cell phone tripod is upgraded with 7 high quality metal cores, which makes it more durable without worrying about break off. The different from sponge materials, it is covered with high density rubber coated. The legs are more sturdy and support this use while diving as a V-long tripod. And it's a flexible octopus style legs. It can be bent arbitrarily to wrap around, for example, a bicycle, a tree, a fence, or other tubes anywhere we want. The 360 rotating ball head allows multi-angle shooting. Due to the U-shaped groove, we can even shoot on vertical mode for TikTok, for example. It also can be used as a stand for iPod, for iPad, for laptop, for books, what you like, or LEDs. And the travel tripod is equipped with a wireless remote that allows us to take hands-free shots from a distance up to 30 feet. Perfect for selfies, group photos, travel, and video recording. It's compatible with iPhone or Android smartphones via Bluetooth. The height of the mini tripod is only 11 inches and the weight is only 0.32 kilograms. This compact tripod for cameras is so light that it can be put in our bag and take it everywhere on vacation or on business trips or for shootings. Obtaining the desired angle and record awesome shots during travel as much as possible. The included phone clip can be adjusted between 2.2 inches up to 3.4 inches, which is suited for the most mobile phones out there, for Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, and so on. With the standard 1/4 screw mount, it is also compatible with sports cameras like a GoPro or digital cameras like Nikon, Canon, Sony, DSLR, Olympus, what you like. It is industrial leading standard, the 1/4 inch that you can dock it there, no prop for it. The GooFoto Flexible Tripod. It is an octopus imitation creature design and it works really good. And we can explore beauty in all directions. 360 degrees horizontal rotation, 90 degrees vertical shooting. Everything is possible. And quick connection. 10,000 selfies for battery. 30 days standby time. The remote, okay? 33 feet, 10 meters remote range. It's possible. And it's really easy to dock. You have to switch it on the remote, and then you can dock it to your Bluetooth smartphone, for example. Job's done, and everything will possible with that device. It's the iPhone, for example. The iPhone clip is 1.2 inches. It will come out, and the 2.2 inches it will steady. That means 2.2 up to 3.4 inches banding is possible. We can use it, for example, as iPad holder. Really cool. A maximum load is possible up to 1,200 grams. These are 3 lb, 3 pound. And we have a 1 quality universal screw on it. An ergonomic flexible tripod, this is a must for every adventure lovers and shooters and movie star shooting guys or girls, what you like. This is the really good GooFoto cell phone tripod stand, and it's a flexible tripod for our smartphone camera systems as we like, or you can use it as iPad stand, no problem. Your imagination is no boundaries. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.